group is the neuroregenerative chemistry group. Has been working in the design, synthesis, and evaluation of chemical compounds in order to repair lesions in central nervous system or damage. Also, we think that some diseases of central nervous system could be treated by these compounds. In this sense, we are focused in the problem of a broad problem that the lesion in spinal cord or in central nervous system often leads to persistent deficits in the axons in order to regenerate after injury. In this sense, we think that the astroglial scar that performed after an injury is one of the principal obstacles to the regeneration of the central nervous system. And also some components coming from myelin of the central nervous system are also inhibitory molecules and perform a global inhibition that could be solved to reach a good recovery after damage or lesions in the central nervous system. Our principal progress in our research in the first part was coming from inhibition of tumors from the central nervous system. In this kind of tumors, glial tumors, we also observed that astroglial cells could be inhibited also. In this sense, that perform our basis to treat lesions in the central nervous system, in which the astroglial cells are high implicated or very implicated in the scar formation. And in this sense, we produce some molecules by chemical synthesis, in which the evaluation of these molecules are related to the regrowth of axons, the remyelinization of axons, and the inhibition of astroglial cells. In this global world, we can avoid collaborations in science, principal in science. The science is universal, and we must collaborate with some group with a broad experience. For example, in chemical synthesis, we have some collaborations with group here in Spain, with Alfonso Fernández Mayoralas in the chemical synthesis, and a group of polymers in the Institute of Polymers of Madrid. And we have some close collaboration with the University of Oklahoma to the analysis of gene expressions, not only in cells but also in tissues from treated animals.